15, 16 gigabytes plus 1 terabyte version. After unboxing it, it's truly stunning. The packaging is in classic OnePlus style. OnePlus has been using red packaging since 2018 with OnePlus 6, and this time you can see the OnePlus gaming core, which is also included in the selling point. This shows that the previous generation had excellent gaming performance, so OnePlus is very confident about this generation. The OnePlus gaming core, the display, Samsung boasts a 165Hz super fast speed, and this time it's even reached 165Hz. That refresh rate is truly amazing. Let's take a look at this phone. For a OnePlus phone, the packaging is still very prestigious and it's still very generous. Here I am, and my favorite thing, oh, this generation has a 120 watt super voice. What the hell? I've always used 100 watt OnePlus phones for years, and this 120 watt model seems to have made significant upgrades for gaming, even considering charging. The charging port is still the familiar A port, so this generation's cases absolutely have to be praised. The quality of OnePlus case is simply amazing. It's so much better than those plain cases or those soft TPU cases. The silicone texture and the texture inside, it's truly stunning. They really put a lot of thought into this design. Now let's unpack it. Oh, it's non-destructive, and you can see it's not torn at all. Oh, guys, on a scale of 1 to 5 rate, how would you rate the OnePlus 15's appearance? Personally, I think it's been reused from the OnePlus 13T, almost like a larger version of it. This shows that OnePlus is really into this kind of decor. I think it's quite recognizable. Looking at it from the side, it resembles a face, like a toothy grin. It's like two eyes and then a big mouth grinning at you. It's actually two lenses. It's quite a subtle feeling. Don't even mention the primary Sandone color. The color is really beautiful. It has that desert feel, but the sand isn't rough. It's very fine. OnePlus has really nailed the AG frosted glass though. This generation design is quite simple, and you can see the exquisite craftsmanship on the side bezels. It's really smooth and comfortable. Man, this generation is going to feel really good in the hand. Finally, a straight screen. The OnePlus 13 had a slightly curved screen, but now it's a completely straight screen. When it comes to gaming, we still have to be OnePlus. So let's power it up. Okay, it still has that familiar homey feel. It's full of that. Oh, Color OS. Open the front, and you'll see how incredibly narrow the bezels are. I think the bezels on Chinese smartphones have really exploded this year. You can see the metal frame isn't white, giving it the illusion of a white screen. It's incredibly premium, giving the phone a very refined feel. And then there's the incredibly thin black border, just like the BM curves. It's incredibly thin. The color scheme we're using is the Sandone colorway, and the name really aligns with the enhanced feel. It feels like cool marble, and the middle frame has a skin-friendly matte finish. For those who appreciate a comfortable feel, this colorway is a must try. It's truly comfortable. The OnePlus 15 boasts a 165Hz refresh rate display. I think this 165Hz refresh rate is a true enhancement to the mobile gaming ecosystem, allowing many games to run natively or at super fast 165 frames per second. Combined with Color OS 16, the OnePlus 15's gaming and daily experience are undoubtedly on par. Regarding battery life, it boasts a massive 7,300 mAh battery and 55 watt wireless charging. Other features are also impressive, including IP66 and IP68, 69K water resistance, a 1.5mm ultra-narrow quadrilateral with the shallowest and narrowest black bars, and a true hardware-based iNIC display. The front is the star of this video, the 3rd generation Oriental panel custom made by BOE. This large 6.78-inch screen boasts a resolution of 2772 by 1272 and a 165Hz refresh rate, resulting in an exceptional visual and gaming experience. The ultra-high refresh rate of 165Hz in particular delivers an immediate improvement in both gaming and real-world use. Compared to the traditional 120Hz refresh rate, this 165Hz refresh rate displays 45 more frames per second. Tests with professional instruments show that the OnePlus 15 sampling rate is 124Hz in daily use, increasing to 300Hz when gaming. The maximum instantaneous touch sampling rate can reach 3,200Hz, and combined with customized enhanced driver technology, it achieves zero lag. Mainstream mobile games like Honor of Kings and Game for Peace experience noticeably smoother motion with ultra-high frame rates enabled. Simply put, whether aiming and shooting in FPS games, the experience is incredibly smooth, with virtually no sticky feeling. Furthermore, this OLED display utilizes BOE's customized new X triple luminescent material. Using BOE's proprietary screen production line, each screen undergoes one-to-one calibration, ensuring exceptional display performance. Combined with BOE's proprietary 3nm screen chip, the display brightness is more stable and color accuracy is more accurate. Field tests show that in default mode, the OnePlus 15 achieves 100% SRGB color gamut coverage, a color temperature of 6,906 Kelvin, and a gamma that closely matches the standard curve. In bright sunlight, the UTF curve is raised between 10 and 80% to ensure clear, legible content. The white point essentially matches a CMF of 2015 degrees. Compared to displays, color accuracy is a piece of cake for smartphone manufacturers. In terms of brightness, the manual brightness range is 0.9 to 730 nits at full screen, with 957 nits under bright light. At 30% screen, the manual brightness range is 0.9 to 800 nits, with 1,879 nits under bright light. Under extreme conditions, the official theoretical peak brightness can be reached. Through the coordinated updates of multiple display and camera algorithms, the third generation Orient screen has been precisely calibrated to achieve a pristine and clear display even in low light conditions as low as 1 nit, avoiding the smudge effect often seen in other manufacturers' displays at low brightness. The OnePlus 15 screen, based on the LTPO adaptive refresh rate, achieves a higher screen to body ratio, reducing eye strain during prolonged use. It's also optimized for gaming, intelligently reducing color saturation in low light environments to avoid glare from ultimate effects when playing games with the lights off at night. The OnePlus 15 has a triple camera setup on the back with all 3 lenses featuring a 50 megapixel sensor. The primary lens is a 50 megapixel sensor with optical image stabilization and an f/1.8 aperture. It uses a Sony LYT700 sensor and has a focal length of 24 millimeters. The ultra-wide lens has a 50 megapixel sensor, an f2.2 aperture, and a focal length of 15 millimeters, providing a 120-degree angle of view. The sensor is a Samsung JM5. The 50 megapixel telephoto camera has a periscope style lens, delivering 3.5 times optical zoom and an equivalent focal length of 85 millimeters. It also features OIS and has an f2.8 aperture. OnePlus has ended its 5-year collaboration with Hasselblad and is now using its own in-house image processing system for the OnePlus 15 called Oppo Lumo Imaging Technology. So guys, now you enjoy some camera sample I captured from OnePlus 15. The selfie camera comes with 32 megapixel Sony IMX615 sensor with aperture f/2.4. The camera system is capable of recording 4K video at up to 120 frames per second with Dolby Vision, as well as 8K video at 30 frames per second. The OnePlus 15 is available in 3 colors: Absolute Black, Mist Purple, and Sand Dune. The Sand Dune option will be called Sandstorm in global markets. Absolute Black color is a deep, solid black with a full matte finish and a low reflectivity silk glass. A Mist Purple color, a purple finish that is infused with photosensitive materials, allowing the color to subtly change when viewed in different lighting conditions.